What if I told you that the exercise advice you've been doing for years, long walks, treadmill routines, or light cardio, might not be enough after 55? Believe it or not, newer research suggests that targeted strength and balance exercises could give you way more bang for your buck. Here's a reality check. The US is aging fast. According to the Population Reference Bureau, the 65-plus population in America is set to grow from 58 million to 82 million by 2050. PRB. Today, more than 16% of Americans are already over 65. That means a huge chunk of the population, people like you and me who are 55 and up, need workouts that actually protect strength, balance, and mobility. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful exercises for people over 55, backed by science, designed for real life, and made to help you move safer, stronger, and smarter. Exercise number 1. Bird dog hold progressions. This is possibly the most powerful exercise on the list. It works your core, balance, back, and even your brain. On all fours, extend opposite arm and leg. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and keep your spine stable. Over time, you can add pulses, increase hold time, or try closing your eyes. Here's a pro tip. Push your hand forward and your foot back. This creates tension throughout your body and forces your brain and muscles to coordinate more. The reward: better balance, stronger core, improved coordination, and even better bone density. This move activates cross-lateral neural pathways, which supports cognitive health and helps prevent falls. Exercise number 2. Modified chair squats. This is a powerhouse move. It strengthens your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, even your back. Stand in front of a chair. Feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back. Lightly tap the chair, then rise back up. Start with 5 to 8 representatives and build up to 15 to 20. It's safe on your knees when done right. And very functional. It mimics the sit-to-stand movements you do every day. This helps maintain lower body power, which is crucial for independence. Plus, squatting properly helps rewire your brain's motor control centers, reducing risk of falls. Exercise number 3. Standing heel raises plus balance challenge. This targets your calves and ankles, which are super important for balance and circulation. Stand behind a chair, rise up on your toes. Hold the top for 3 seconds. Then lower slowly, 3 seconds. As you improve, try doing this on one foot. Why this matters? Your calf muscles act like a pump to push blood up from your legs. Strong calves reduce swelling, improve circulation, and help prevent falls. Plus, challenging your balance with this exercise boosts your stability, especially when doing tasks like standing on tiptoe or reaching for things. Exercise number 4. Seated leg lifts with resistance. This one strengthens your hip flexors, quads, and core, muscles you use every single time you walk, climb stairs, or get out of a chair. Sit tall in a stable chair. Lift one leg to parallel, hold for 2 seconds. Then lower slowly without touching the ground. Do 10 to 15 representatives per leg. As you get stronger, you can add resistance with ankle weights or a band. Because you're working one leg at a time, unilateral training. You're fixing muscle imbalances that naturally develop with age. Stronger leg muscles equals better walking speed, better stair climbing, and easier daily movement. Exercise number 5. Wall push-ups with hold. This move is all about building upper body strength, chest, shoulders, arms, and even core. Stand about an arm's length from a wall. Place your palms at shoulder height. Lean in slowly, hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Then push back. Start with 5 representatives and work up to 15. It's super practical. Helps with daily tasks like pushing a door open, carrying groceries, or catching yourself if you stumble. The slow hold, tempo, is key. It trains your muscles more effectively than fast representatives. Over time, it improves your reaction time and proprioception, which means fewer risk of falls. Wrap-up call to action. So, here's the deal. Do these 5 exercises for 20 to 25 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll build real functional strength. This isn't about bodybuilding, it's about staying strong, balanced, and independent as you age. If you're over 55, These moves will help you move confidently. Stay steady and protect yourself from falls. Drop a comment below. What's the hardest daily movement for you right now? How many minutes do you exercise weekly? And what's stopping you from being consistent? Let's do this together. Your body is capable of more than you think.